Hi everyone, today me and Elaine are going to explore a place we've never been before. It's a nice sandy beach between Sutton and Howth and it's called a hole in the wall, also referred to as Burrow Beach. To be honest, I expected more of it, well at least I expected to see a huge wall with a hole, but there was nothing like that. I also expected the beach to be bigger, but it's only a small beach a little bit longer than 1 kilometer. In any case, I don't regret going there because I have discovered a new place and I had a good laugh with my friend Elaine.
Yeah. Look at how gnarly.
It is for sale, Elaine.
Is it for sale? Wow,
Yeah.
I shall buy it.
Come on, buy it,
You
please.
and make offers. Yeah, I don't think I could afford something like that.
And then I can come and rent one room.
Oh,
from
rent a room. Jesus Christ, you'd have the whole house with me. The two of us would have the whole house. You could rent a room and we could both go halves on the mortgage. Yeah, right. Do I have a spare couple of million hanging around? No. Oh, look, hole in the wall.
Oh yeah,
I think this is the hole in the wall.
yeah. It has a different name. It's called, I think, Burrow Beach.
Hole in the wall. And no swimming. Oh, but it is a sandy beach. Yay!
Yeah, well, they say, you see that house which is for sale? It has a lovely view, Elaine.
That's what I'm saying. That's why they cost millions, because they have the beautiful view.
And is this Island's Eye?
There's Ireland's Eye.
Oh my God, you can walk up to there. Look, if you go this way, look,
Yeah.
and you walk on that.
And you walk on that sand dune.
No,
Oh,
is that Island's Eye or that?
that is Lambay. That is Ireland's Eye over there. Remember the Martello Tower? The outcropping?
Yeah. Oh yeah, now I see from Howth the...
Yeah. So we have Hope. And then we have Ireland's Eye.
But if you follow this, you see this sand thing. If you follow,
All the way over. It looks it, but there's strong currents there. I would not chance that, to be quite honest with you, unless I had a feckin' powerboat. Or
Yeah.
something more.
yeah.
Jet ski, yay!
And is that Baldoyle over there?
That is Baldoyle.
Yeah. So actually from Portmarnock, if you walk up, you can walk almost to Baldoyle.
Almost, but there is, at the other side there is marshland, so
It's
that's where
not...
we saw all the birds.
Yeah.
Shall we walk this direction?
Yeah. Let's see the view.
And that's Hope.
That's gonna be a shorty video. There is nothing to show.
Climbing cliff. Beware of dogs. I didn't plan to climb it, but thank you. Oh, look at that.
Oh my God.
Isn't he gorgeous?
Yeah.
A heron. Heron he is.
The highlight of the day was spotting a heron bird in the distance and coming across a flock of Canadian geese. They did let me get closer, although I had to run after them with the camera. Later on, I shared this with a friend of mine and he couldn't understand why I was so excited and what was so special about seeing the geese. And I said, of course it's special. They flew all the way from Canada, over the Atlantic Ocean, without a passport, an airplane ticket, or any kind of certificate. And they arrived to Ireland for the winter. Isn't that amazing? Aren't they lucky? Of course they are.
Hello. Hello, babies. I'm happy now. Yeah. Bye, babies. Huh? Huh?
Leave the wildlife alone, you man. True artisticness. You have to admire it. Somebody drew a mermaid and a fish
Yeah.
and decorated with shells.
Very nice.
I think so.
And by the way, nothing happens by chance. The mermaid is a symbol of good luck and renewal. So I'm glad we came across this sign of good omen.
Mermaids were mythical creatures. Now, we didn't have mermaids in Ireland. We had something called Silkies. They're all over it was Celtic kind of tradition. And Silkies used to be seals during the day. They would put on their Selkie suits, they would go into the sea and they would live there quite happily, and people would see them as seals. And during the night time they used to come out and they used to take off their seal costume, they'd be naked, and they'd be human.
Yeah.
And they said that if you take a Selkie's seal suit away from them, they would be human, but they would go ultimately mad. So there is a few different versions of stories where, you know, men had seen Selkies in their human form dancing around on the beaches in the middle of the night, take their seal costumes and then marry them.
Okay guys, it's time to say goodbye to Elaine because I will be leaving soon for Bulgaria. I will miss our funny adventures, but hopefully when I return we'll continue traveling and exploring Ireland together. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in my next vlog.